Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can quickly check if your unsupported or too old PC can still run Windows 11. And don't worry, it's super easy. So for the official check method, you can just open the PC health check tool. This is the app. You can install this app on the Microsoft website or Microsoft Store, and then you can just click on check nows in here to check if the PC meet the system requirements. Okay, as you guys can see, it will be shown like this. If it doesn't currently meet the Windows 11 system, you can just click on see all results to see the details, or click on learn more. So this tool doesn't always tell the full story, especially if your PC is older. And there's also an official compatibility check. You can use alternative tools like Why Not Win 11 or Rufus method. You can just download and install the app, and then you can check for the CPU, TPM, secure boot, and RAM. So even if your PC fails one or two checks, there are unofficial methods to bypass this, so don't lose hope. So tips for older PCs, you can enable TPM and secure boots in BIOS, and upgrade your RAM or SSD if possible, or use a lightweight version of Windows 11 for old PCs. But this doesn't guarantee perfect performance, but it can keep your old device alive a bit longer. So keep in mind, unofficial install may not get full updates or security support. Use them at your own risk, especially if this is your main PC. So did your too old PC pass the test? Let me know in the comments below. If this helped, hit like button, subscribe, and click on the thanks. Bye!